Here's a really nice way to jazz up your Sunday pancakes. I'm going to show you my version using berries, and not just for the topping, I'm also going to add it to the batter. So into a large jug, just like this one, I'll add some berries, and I'm using some beautiful fresh raspberries and some blackberries, but you can use any type of fresh berry you like. So I'm going to add half of this punnet along with half of my blackberries, and just have a look how juicy these blackberries are. Just fantastic. I just love how the berries are going to turn these pancakes quite purple. We'll reserve the rest for garnish later on. And just using a fork, or I like to use a really firm whisk, just break up the berries. And by doing this, we're going to extract some of the juices. And I do have some sugar that's going to go into the dry ingredients, but I will add a little now just to help macerate these berries. So just whisk that and break it up. And it can be quite rough. It doesn't have to be a perfect puree, and that's why I use my whisk. Now you can do this with a food processor, but I actually like this to be slightly chunky. Okay, happy with that. Now I'll add 1 egg. We'll break that straight into our jug. And 1 cup of milk. Now I'm just using some cow's milk, but you can use an oat milk, a soy milk, whatever you like. And we'll just give that a whisk to incorporate all of the ingredients together. This looks like a berry milkshake at the moment. Great. Now for the dry ingredients. So in a large bowl, I'll add some flour, and I'm using some wholemeal flour. I love the nutty flavour of it. So we'll measure that out, about half a cup. Okay. And half a cup of instant oats. Some sugar, so the rest of the sugar, that's about 3 tablespoons. And just with a spoon, just give that a mix. We need some rising agents here, so we'll add some baking powder, about 3/4 teaspoon, and then a very small amount of bicarb. Okay, I'll make a well in the centre, and we'll start adding our berry mixture. So pour that in, and little by little we're going to add this liquid, and we'll just incorporate it until we have a lovely smooth pancake batter. And you can see all those really nice big chunks of berries in there. I think that is such a standout for this type of pancake. Okay, this is the consistency that I'm after, and we can start cooking. So this is a crepe pan. I love this because it's just easier to flip, but you can use any pan you like. I'll add just a small amount of oil, and using a pastry brush, I'll just spread that out. You want the heat to be on a medium heat, so not too hot and not too low either. So medium is optimum. And you can make large pancakes, or I'm gonna make some smallish style pancakes, and we'll just dollop this into our pan, and we're gonna let them cook for a minute on each side. So when you see little bubbles start to form and pop, it's time to turn them. So we'll just get a little palette knife under here and flip. Oh, they look great, don't they? We'll flip the others and give it another minute. I'm so impressed with these. They're ready. I'm going to pile them up in true pancake form, starting with the biggest one and then working our way up. They smell so good. I can smell the raspberries and the blackberries that we've used. And because I do love my berries, we're going to add some more. So I'm going to add some more to the top. And because these blackberries are so big, I'm just going to cut them in half. I also like the look of them inside. They're just so pretty and obviously very juicy. So I'll add 3 more. And we'll just pop them on top, making it a really big tower. Some of our raspberries too. And you can't have berry pancakes like this without a big drizzle of gorgeous maple syrup cascading down the sides. This breakfast on a Sunday morning is going to make your whole family very, very happy.